Hi, my beauties. Welcome to the makeover of Marjon, who is in her early 40s. So we did start by applying some revitalizing cream first to her entire face and eyes. And then, as always, with the mineral makeup application, we started with the eyes first. Now, in the past, I have been applying the eye pencil directly onto the outer eyelid. This time though, to give a softer look, we applied using the blending brush, took some of the product from the pencil and then applied it with the brush to the outer eyelid and then above the crease line. And we blended it really well. And then we applied the taupe eyeshadow on top of the area, softening the look. And then we applied some copper eyeshadow to the inner part of her eye. We then applied a little bit of the nude eyeshadow just underneath the eyebrow. We then added a touch of the pure gold glitter to the center of the eyelid. We then applied the yellow concealer to areas that we felt needed concealing. There wasn't a lot that needed to be done, just a few little areas. And also to areas of the face that we wished to highlight as well. Then we used a kabuki brush to blend the yellow concealer into the face. For the foundation, we used the Sand Velvet Touch foundation, which is like a concealer and a foundation at the same time. And we just applied one layer, starting with the center of the face and then working our way out. Once we had what I call a blank canvas, we then applied a touch of bronzer just to the outer cheekbones and to the outer edge of the face in like a sweeping movement. And then we kind of brought the rest of the bronzer over the rest of the face, blending it in. We then went back to the eyes and applied a little bit of the brown pencil just underneath the eyes directly. We didn't draw it on, we sort of pressed it on, and then we used a brush then to blend it in and marry it up to the upper eyelid. We then applied the mascara. And then I like to see this as frosting, adding a touch of the white highlighter just underneath the eyebrows, on the inner corner of the eyes, on the upper cheekbones, just on the top of the nose, and a little bit just above the lips. There I am applying the white highlighter just to the inner corners of the eyes. This really makes eyes pop, especially if you're going out. And then we used the Velvet Rouge lip pencil, which is a red pencil. And we blended it with adding the Coral Flare lipstick, which is a coral color, but when it's applied onto the red, it brings out more of the red in the coral lipstick, so it makes it a little bit more brighter than if we just used the coral lipstick. I thought it looked very pretty on her. She came with a friend who's in another makeover, and here are the two of them together after the makeover, sitting relaxing. So until next time, stay beautiful.